slugs and snails are the worst problem in the garden every year. Now, there are lots of different ways to deter slugs and snails. You can use copper bands, you can use wool pellet, or you can actually use grit. But none of those work in my experience or in the experience of other gardeners. But what does work are these remarkable pellets, which are based on a natural substance called iron phosphate. You sprinkle the pellets amongst your plants and something remarkable happens. The slugs and snails come and take the pellets, disappear underground, and you don't see that slug or snail again, and you don't even get the horrible slime trails either. The great thing about these pellets is that you can use them amongst edible plants because they're approved for organic gardening, and they're extra rainfast, which means they're even more effective in wet conditions when slugs and snails are most active. But the other remarkable thing about them is that if any of the pellets aren't eaten by slugs and snails, they decompose to create nutrients to feed your plants. The pellets are approved for organic gardening, and each box this size treats a huge area, up to 240 square meters. There's something like 30,000 pellets in here. So the pellets are the best way I know to protect your plants. It really is quite an extraordinary way to sort out slugs and snail,